I mean, I say Richard Brown Film represented, you see it? I mean, I say subscribe if you not subscribe, you know. Because a lot of bam ready for drop, you see me? I know say if you not subscribe, or you get notification. Bam bam, Jutta Rhyme, representing for Richard Brown Film. Out, star for shine.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world...
Javi, I've got to bet on this, you know.
How long you make me a wait out just?
Where you go? Come in here. Javi, may I talk to you? Come here, you know.
When we cook?
You know, see, you need to do better on this, Javi. Me already I risk it and I let you in. You can't come early, Javi.
Sis, relax now.
You have to do better. Suppose me decide to get up and go bathroom and see me and let you in, Javi.
Sis,
Javi, you need to do better. Calm down your
you
voice,
sound like
Javi.
mommy. You sound like mommy right now. Just
Where you
relax
come
now, man.
from? Take time, talk, Javi. Where you come from? You come in and go and see food. We get too careless, Javi. You need to come in earlier than this.
Mommy don't say me come in.
Where are you coming from?
I come from some dog in the yard. What? We just cool a vibe.
You need to stop it, Javi. Me nah do this. And next night if you go continue like this, you know, Javi.
Sis, I work, you know. You want the money?
Me don't want no money from you. I want no blood money because me know we are the
What do you mean blood money?
Listen,
You know
don't
what?
get next night.
You broke all my vibes right now, because you know I'm not even want to feed. Because you're interrogating
Never
me
did go
like
give
you're my
it.
mother. Later.
You're not going to learn you. I'm not do it next night, just know.
Yeah, bro. I left out of the house right now.
Oi, come here. Want to talk to you.
Never call her back. Yeah, I'm so forward. What movie?
Where you go?
I go out on the road.
You know, something like the direction where you're going to do.
Which direction?
You know what? I ask your uncle to try to get in a police force.
Movie. Where you feel line up work? I'm gonna tell you some more work.
You mean you not tell me so you
Movie,
plan for
me don't want to no police. Yeah, I'm turning into an informer. I'm not turning into no informer, you know.
Look
People
here.
have a pre-me in the streets.
Look here. Alright. You don't want to no police. What you want?
When the time come, me figure that out.
When? When you're 60? Eh? Cause the road where you are go down, you know, it look like a me I figure mine the rest of your life, you know.
Mommy, when me get to work, you'll know.
When you plan to go get a work, you write up a resume. What kind of work you go get?
Mommy, just come off from my back now. Every single day you just dip on my back.
Where about if you come off your back?
Me I go out on the road, just relax no man. Every day you dip on my back.
Where me for relax? Look here, all this. Look here. Me no want a man in my house. Yeah? You're not paying no bills in your so. The only thing me see you do I wake up, go bathroom, shit and go bed, go eat, and then you put on your clothes and put on this shit on your head and go you go. Look here, boy. Now make me get bingo in your soul. Come out!
Wow. Since you want me come out, me
Go pack your bag and come out from your
Don't
house.
worry yourself, man. Me I come out, man.
How am I going to go and say in a place?
Look here. You know hear how your brother that one a while ago.
Yeah, me here. Me here,
Look here. You know say you're a tomboy, you know. I mean, I want you following your brother footstep, you know.
Alright, mommy. This not none of this no call for you know. Yo, bro, you really are gonna do this?
What else you want me to do?
You know, some mommy always run her joke them boy for come out. Me not feel like she really is alright. But leave the stuff them and stop do that.
Me know say they did it when she cuss me, right? So you know
So
say she is serious.
Listen to me.
I mean now stay in the house.
Mister, listen to me. Why are you behaving like that?
Me
Police
now-
force is actually a good job, you know, because you claim say it's a bad man. See, you'd be undercover or something. Why you talk to mommy like that?
Sis, me not turn no police. I'm turn one rat in the streets.
But you turn right down bad man because you're going dead eventually.
Sis, me not argue with you. You know. Me,
Theory-
me,
so-
me understand say I'm still, but me not stay in there so and listen to mommy. So,
So where you going to go?
me have to go down to daddy.
And you think that going better?
You better than me there in there so and me can do what I want. Me a big man, you know.
You was up here, so remember me this one you. Yeah. Alright. As I say, you're not going to listen, but me hope everything alright. Me hope you alright. I don't wish nobody for you. But I
Sis.
can't say it's still touchable because you're daddy and you want a normal place, okay?
Sis, me love you, but
You hear what me say?
me hear you, sir.
Okay.
Me just have to do what me do.
Really?
Love you, but little more.
So you come out and come help me in the start talk off your mouth.
Daddy. Evening.
What go on? One to you, how you look, sir?
Daddy. I wonder if I can go and stay with you, cause you know some of me run me out.
Come again, where you say look while?
I wonder if I can just go and black out and thing, cause mommy I go and like show and control me.
Where you do now, make me run me out? Where you do?
But I don't know. Me get up and me I left out the house. Mommy I say, me can't go on road. And this and that. Like mommy want to try style me. Me not even sell out bad enough.
You say, mum like mum want style me like a friend them a road. Where you move, where you move, Javi?
And me not move nowhere, daddy, but me just a tell her say, yo, me never do nothing wrong. I just move here and say, she don't want no big man in her house and this and that. And so she,
And that's what she mean. A big man when I work in our house. That she mean. Where are your mother have?
well, me not have nothing, daddy. But me just tell her, she a say, when me I go start work, me tell her, I said, me soon go start work.
What is the problem with you and your mother this morning, Javi?
Daddy, me I tell her the truth.
What she tell us? What she tell us? Make she have to come out.
Alright, daddy. This man, I left out the house and she say, she talk to uncle and say, for me, he asked uncle for basically me come in the police force. I be tell me say, yo, I don't part that because daddy, I don't want look like no informer or I don't want nobody for pre me.
Cut it there, sir. Cut it there, sir. Let me tell you the truth, my son. I go to prison, I get whole heap of bad treatment. Nothing good about this when I do. You get me? All I come into them sell me out. When I go to prison, not even a phone card, nobody no send come give me. I come out and change, me have to change my life. So either you turn a police, a good honest bread that you draw down, you know. And then like no shame in it. But watch out now. If you be a bad man, where community them and call you? Hoodlum. You want somebody call you hoodlum, or you want them call you police?
But daddy, me don't want nobody to think me a rat. And that I think,
So where you want be? Like me.
daddy, me don't, all me I say, me not even say me I go to prison or no. Me not try good on the route there. But me just want to do what me want to do. That's all me I
So
say.
what you want to do? Tell me the truth, Chaffee.
Me I still think about it.
I think about it.
Daddy, to be honest, me never really come here for all the bag of question, you know. I me not even try to be disrespectful, but either you go make me stay or you make me stay, because me don't have nowhere else to go.
Alright, go on now. Cause right I know me alone there, you know. I mean one bag of step in them and more money now. Go and go find one space. Go and go find one space. You know. And take off that something there for you. Come mash up man mates right now, you know.
What you say about now, sis?
Bad man, you can't stop calling me sis now. Look how long me and your brother left.
That would you know. Till you say you're the man wife, whether you like it or not, you need to ease yourself. The boss tell me say I'm still in love with you.
Still in love with me?
Stop going someone. But anyways, yeah, what go on the job now? I don't make the link for you now.
Look
I'm
here.
gonna link my back. Because some joke thing.
Look here, me I talk to Javi. And this boy look like him no want nothing out of life.
What you mean?
Cause me tell him say me gonna make him make a link for him for going to the force. And this boy I tell me say him no want turn no police.
So what you want to do? Can me not understand
Look
that?
here, I don't know. I do not know.
And this is the thing when we talk about all the while, you know.
And me tell him say me nah mine, no big man.
You know, so me actually go and talk to me actually go and talk to my people who are in charge of recruiting. And me beg them say yo, me believe in can pass the test, but just in case him fail. And then you always have to tell me say him shot by 1 inch all that me put forward. And them a say yo, make him come. So
Me send him down to him father, you know. Cause me and him catch up here. He come like boy want fight me.
boy, this a disappointment, man.
He make it look like a something bad, me I tell him. Like me I tell him if he got thief.
Boy, me not even know if I go back to the people.
The only thing Javi do, you know, I wake up, bathe, eat, and then he go road. And the next morning, me see him. The next morning. And me tell him, say, anytime he get himself in a problem, me, now run up and down for no boy. Cause me, send him to go do nothing bad.
Yeah, skip a
Like he want to follow in his father's footstep. Look here, me nah go bother with it with him. So if you can talk to him, you talk to him.
I go say if Jutta can't talk to him, you know. Jutta get convicted before. So him must me just say I'm my right person for talk to him based on the road where him did a trod. Cause every day I see Jutta say, oh boy, if him did only follow my Uncle Dean did tell him all along when we are grow up on same thing. Things did come out better for him.
As me I say now, youth, there are some gun that come down by the boxes.
There's some machine of our done.
We can bust it. You want three?
Brother, right, no more one. Because me have to protect my head back, you know.
Yo, me I tell you, say, gun for days. So I'm to this, man, you know, want none too.
Your uncle.
You know him?
The one of my uncle.
Listen me, they're no police.
Yeah, man.
I informer.
Brother, I'm not in farmer. I'm my uncle. Don't have to worry about him, man. He born for the ends. So he know how things go.
Listen, and not every police you can trust, whether you know them or not. You see when you have them a good friend, and they well want bust if you get all on 3 stripe, they will let you down too. I tell you, just to get the stripe.
So you don't know my father? You two of them grow together.
Then listen me. Me know your father, yes. Guess what? I was a Dan one time, but he get all out.
So I didn't know that.
I want look a young boy, 12-year-old, a matter of fact, a Dan on this. You think no boy could have done me?
Yo, look at that, get some with that. On just a rubber, I mean, I nothing rub to. That not look right.
Squaddy.
Call me now squaddy man.
I go my friend.
Just the man I want to see.
I broke me and brother man. Yo, how you sound so well for Squaddy? What you want to have?
As it relates to what I want to talk to you about. I hear boy. What you plan for do with him? Or what you plan for do for him?
Where is it? So what you mean?
Because see me in some company with you, I never like it. And at the end of the day, me a police. Yeah, my brother. And of course, me I go look out for him. But how much of that me can do? I know me alone a police, you know. You have to take that into consideration. The boy have decent education. You have to do something.
Fun to talk to you boy, you know. I talk to you boy. Yo, him turn big man now. Javi turn big man now. Him can go fence for him money now then. You get me? You see him move like loose boy. Yeah, me no grow him so. You ever see me move say it?
You are him father, you know. And at the end of the day, you go feel it if them put pepper on him, you know. And I my nephew. I don't want the same. I don't want the same.
Yo, me no want Javi be like me, you know. I talk to him like me no know what to say, brother.
Brother?
Me I hide my ways them from him. So me no know where I take up that from.
How long you can hide it?
And me
You don't
I
think
take
him
up
know?
that from.
Are you the youth I idolize? Brother, they have to be away. Look here, man.
Hear me I say.
You have to do something, man.
See,
You have to put on your foot, you know.
If him turn big man and thing and rare. Right now him sister go to school. That she may focus on. Although she live with her mother. But watch her now.
The one pick me have her two. That more I ask you.
Me not gonna make him sacrifice she right now in a king. You see me? Him a try move like me, but on a soul life go.
You talk foolishness.
You feel like.
A year youth, you have to put on your foot. You say it's either 6 I go carry him or 12 I go try.
Tell the truth, me not put on my foot. Look how long me I try with you. Tell the truth, no man. You don't see me put on my foot already.
You put on your foot, but how much? You need to sink the gas pedal. Something I have to do, you know.
What am I to do?
I don't know what to tell you, no? But I can tell you, if I see him do the wrong thing, as much as more I save him, if I know me alone there, there's nothing I can do. Bro, take this from me. And me I dig the street. You know the street like a white line. And me, I the car tire. I know everything about the road. The company where I'm a par with, not good for business. And either you are going to cry, or somebody are going to cry. Me, I warn you. Those who have ears to hear, let them hear. Bro, heart of love. But
If you see me where if you shout me, you can shout me, man.
Heart of love, but also heart of war.
I say I
We'll
was.
catch you.
Really?
So you say you have something new for me on the market?
I'm general.
So I go on, man.
I say I eat the cinnamon. So you get the machine and I tell you say no boy, no foul test.
Mad, man.
I'm here, man. See China man
But
general.
man, so you can't. Oh, not
No, say nothing no night at my boss, man. I want here, man. Yeah, man.
Alright, king, man.
Yeah. Yo, when I tell you
You
say
said
this.
you have to test it?
No. No be it nothing yet. No be it nothing yet. Cause watch now, I'm show you out here. Watch now, my boss. You see them one here? Them one here have range. You see me? You can actually look on the scope. This is a 9mm semi-automatic.
Before you're going further, remember to me, I'm a fool to it again.
Yeah, but me just tell you about that new one, the new one. So you see when you this clap my boss, that one you kick back, it deadly. So you have to hold them on a firm general. And I like the next one them. So you see me the kick back, just terrible.
Get what you have to, man, but hear me I say no. So when you have more things like them, you don't sell nobody else in the area, them. I mean, alone, you sell them.
Really? So why? So other people don't want gun thing,
So
man.
it's me I say no man, and me run my turf and me I done.
You know,
Them
see,
boy
yeah,
them
done.
run them block, me I run my block. And if you have a big tall one them set up, I want them, I want
Some
them.
of them they are forward.
Yeah man, because you see, when you have the things in life, you have to make sure say you establish more nice, some more the big tall one them so.
A 500 for one, but me can talk it down to 380.
Yeah man, any how much shit man, me deal with.
Alright then.
Because we need them a foot man,
Yeah.
because we can't make no boy come violate you.
No man, you're mad man. Are you,
Yeah man.
are you, me gonna make sure so get all of them sort out, isn't it?
Yeah man.
Yeah, so you say I take this on my deal.
Yeah man, may I take it man.
Alright, no boss.
Much I say it
Take
I go
back in
for
my project. 100 them I go for still, you know.
100.
Yeah man.
Alright, so what you want? You want the money per spot or you want me send it to your account?
Don't know the thing, man. When I deal with cash up front, man, just send it. No, we're not on a paper trail to the thing.
Say
Man,
you
send it out.
want me send it off for now?
You don't have to give me no funds up front, man. I want that. I deal with the business, you see me?
Watch you know. I show me not like people grow on me, so me not grow on nobody, you see me?
When you reach in, it'll shot another thing.
Alright, so I say I heard then.
Yo,
I just go and watch out and I remember, you know, me alone supply them at the air.
Alright, my boss.
Alright.
Tell her, is it?
New up on the market.
So me I say, yo, Papa, I think them that that's what I want there. Cause I'm gonna be my second on, you know.
Watch you know, my general. Watch you know. See them thing, yeah? You alone, me give them thing, you know, man.
You hear that?
Yo, I the first person me link, you know.
You hear that?
Else, I get them something, you know, my boss.
Taking time for you that still enough much.
Watch what man. Yeah, man. You call like the browning, is it?
So you give me it without.
Don't put it to your face, them with them.
Listen to me. Look here. Wait, clip.
Regardless, my boss.
Feel it.
No, man, I'm not putting no clip yet, man.
Why not?
Watch you know, man. Them guys. Yeah, 2-gun kid. You call like the blue zooka. Yeah, the browning and the blue zooka. Yeah, man.
So,
Tell them, man. Them something a real killer. Chill, man. I have to put in no car.
throw a bullet there.
Get asked no one sagla. What kind of style is? Boss, man, just check out the thing, no, man.
So much you let it go for?
Yo, 100 grand for one, but I can't talk it. I can't let it out for 80 still, you know. So give me 80 or one. And we can work out something. Because remember, in a hot bread, them here road them the general. Nobody cares.
That brother I go cool though, you know, cause the money not really enough, you know.
What you mean the money not enough?
So you're styling, sir?
I'm not styling, but you said the money not enough. What you mean the money not enough?
We don't really have all of the money. We just have to start again, you know. So we can have money.
So you call me down here for big man?
I think you say it's cheap. Cause you say it's hot. So I say, well, from the hot, you run hot. So I mean, it's not my hot.
Another hat, them general. The hat is that them selling fast.
They're not cheap, make you sell fast. So you Jamaicans are fool, brother.
Big man, a business we are doing.
You know, so if you go out, there's a police car, hold on for you right now and charge you for 10 to the right now. You may just give me it and come back for your money. What?
So you try to set me up?
I'm not informer.
So you call police for man?
Me just say something to you.
Just say them things, them general, man. I want to you, man.
So
me run the risk come so with the 2 hot foot them. And you really want to tell me so if I left my brown and my blouse and skirt, blue zooka with you? Just so.
You not on fire? Seriously? Right, yeah. Because they want to be a gangster and the money. So check me back when me have everything, yeah?
So me if you check you.
Me call him.
At me have what you want in the mind.
I call him back. I don't like the style thing right now.
I depend on the mind. I don't call me to my place and I have the money already. Big man, I work off a business. I stand on business, big man. Don't call me again unless you have my bread. That me dead with.
I tell you the truth. You know, say me need have an extra one for me right now. Will I shot a kilo? Go on, where you go. Go on. Just... You say move. Move. And you know, you want to be a gangster and no money for you. You work, so.
What do you mean? Are you have a yard done?
Oh God, daddy.
Where you come from?
Where me where I come from?
I say you talk to me, I say, where you come from, Javi?
Daddy, me just say where you mean where me I come from. Me I come off the road.
Which part on the road?
What's up the road up there, so?
Round there, say you're there with the boy them. But me tell you already. Me tell you, say, for you come in our community, you know, par with no man round here, so brother. You don't know what happening round here. You don't know who is the man them. You love par with people, so brother.
Daddy, you want me to just stay in the house every day?
You
If I talk to you, them like committee man, them not go pray me.
you come here, come lay, pray what? You come here, come lay your head. You're not even say, get one little trade or something where me can say, all right, he might try something until he figure out what he want to do. But you just dip on the road, so what you think I got happen?
Daddy, just relax, man. You act like a thief, or rob someone.
Nobody no know where you do when you're out there, brother. Me no dead there. Me no dead there. Me no know what in your intention.
Daddy, you don't have to worry yourself. We can't go in the house now.
It's so you talk to me. You know what you do now. Better you just pack up your things them and go on. Because me not cause a problem, you know. Better you just pack up your things them and go on. Come out here, Virgin. Watch it. As some back me I go sell now in a you. Me stress out in the just forget food for people them. And you come now and put more things on me head.
So I really running around now.
What you mean? Take your things them and go on, man. Because me not go take. You say, if I in there say I deal with, I in there say I deal with. They say if I out there say I deal with, go on out there.
Alright, Daddy.
Just make sure say when we come back, me not see you.
Don't worry yourself, man. Mama, they home?
We are there, no, we are there. What?
I don't know if it's there. But he run me out.
Run you out. What you do now?
Let me come in the house, man.
Come. So what you say happen now?
No food there?
Where you go? Me ask you a question. Me a talk to you, why you not answer? Javi?
Where you ask me?
What happened between you and daddy? Why you here again? Me not understand what happened. Me a talk to you. Why you going to the park, Javi?
Because I'm hungry.
Javi, what happened between you and daddy?
Sis, Daddy want to treat me like me a little picnic. See me how movie want to treat me, I see me him want to treat me. He said me can't keep the person a company and me not depend that. Anybody who wants to talk to me, talk to them.
Well, Javi, you don't listen. Why you not listen, Javi?
Sis, me just come for some food, you not even have to worry yourself. Whether in or out.
Javi, you have to listen, Javi. Why you not listen, Javi? Javi, where you going go now?
No, which one I ever stay, I'm just go probably stay one of my friend in my yard or something.
Yeah, my brother, I'm love you. You're not left back out of the yard. So either you going to hide on me. You want me to hide you? Mommy not have to know. Me can give you shit and food and something. Mommy don't have to know. Because honestly, me don't want you to go back on the street.
Well, if you can't hide me, that's good with me. But nobody tell mommy, you know.
You need to come before she come back.
Wait, no man, me eat some of my food first now.
What? You see, you don't listen. Come now, Javi. Watch ya. Javi,
Wait, no man, I'm gonna eat some of my food first now, sis.
hurry up.
Wait, no for a man, you know.
Even mommy.
Evening. Wow.
Nothing. How was your day?
Oh boy. Stressful. You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm just eat.
Oh. God, I'm hungry. Fuck. Seriously? You get so much food and none left for me. Javia. Javia.
That's mommy.
Where food there?
Serve it. Um. We did kind of hungry, so me eat 2 plates of food.
Say you no remember me?
Food but food left in my pot, but same.
That kind of food, that crumbs, that. Eh? So me not have tongue and teeth too.
Oh, really sorry. I'm sorry, I'm really hungry. You want some of mine? What? You can't
Me
share.
not even gonna answer you. It's alright. Me drink some tea and eat crackers and go to my bed.
Okay.
Alright. Me go hold a shower.
Where your mother then?
No, she run her room. You want to talk to her?
Not really. We should get some money from where there, man.
So what happened?
Really want to go on. The money not going from where there still, but soon pick up, man, because never hear me, see me?
Okay. Wait, man, because I know once you have it, we go and get it.
Javi not good enough.
What do you mean?
I put him out.
Daddy, one thing, mommy. Mommy first, now are you? You feel like couldn't rate my brother, you know?
I don't know nothing about my way. Him choose a way. He choose a way, so you know, like, you pay the penalty for your actions.
Let me ask you something. You don't feel like a year jeans him have?
My jeans.
Yes.
Tight pants me here.
No,
So
but
much of a big. Yo,
if you,
easy, man.
if you have your jeans, you feel like saying if you take it up in hand.
That one that touch me. Look, me that send it for me spliffing up, but two I get the go around go sit down. Go around go sit down, yeah? I am mother same thing.
You're not, what job you there?
Me don't know where I'm there right now.
And you're not cater.
I don't like say me no care what me for do.
You need to go look for him because you don't know what I'm
Everybody a pressure me about Javi. Javi a big man now, you know. Me a big man and Javi a big man. If me go to him too much time, then go to fight with me.
Give me a minute with the father.
Alright.
Take up your boat them.
Me hear you talk to Javia about Javi. You see what me that go through with him, though. Hmm? So what go on with you and him now?
If you go through the same thing, me put him up on the road, you know. Me put him up on the road. You hear me say, watch you now. Where you suggest me for do? Where you think say me for do? With Javi?
Look here. Me no know enough. Me no know.
Where you feel say me finish
Because
with me?
look here, I feel your jeans in you know. Are
What do you talk about my jeans?
you in take off? You see, that's why me have to send him down there. Cause
You not send
me
him down
can't
there.
control Javi.
You put him out.
So what you expect me to do?
And that
Eh?
me just ask you, look, what you expect? Remember saying, no, me can't have him apart with the bad man them in our community. And that's why me put him out, you know. What? Suggest something where you think say, me as a father for do now.
Look here.
No, just suggest something now. Where you think say me for do?
Me I try to get him a work. Me I try to make him do something within life. At that me I try run
No
from
one
him.
going to police force. Him say the man
So
is
what
family.
else? What else him I go do? Eh?
For do.
Me not see him a move towards nothing.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make him start par with me then. Walk with me anywhere me I go
Look
then.
here. It come like a joke thing.
And that going to be a worse Javi. You know want that, you know. Is as a boy, him for their own mother.
Me think a boy for the round them father and the girl for the round the mother.
You know the type of ends that me I talk.
Him need
And the
a
people
man
me
in
a go.
his life. Him need you to guide him.
Alright. Then see if me can go talk to him one more time. And see if he might change and take it. You see me? Because me can't up and down say, you know, right now, I have to focus on the daughter when there, you know. She have a bright future, you know, you see? Never say me can talk to him one more time. And see if him can hear what I say. Probably have to go par with me.
Look here, do what you have to do.
Yeah, man, Papa, I pray around. Yeah, David.
What you mean?
There, man, everything no.
Everybody good?
Yeah, man, there, man. Not really, but we have life.
Alright. Yo, hold this, lock it off. Feel that.
Yo,
Okay, sir. Few look a bit of bullet come.
yo.
Yeah, you hear what me I say?
Yeah.
Few look a bit of bullet come. One put in a mind. So you just have that. So nobody try to shoot off at nobody, no bullet. No.
Yeah, me, I said, you want to shoot, but
Relax, man. If you come, man. You have to relax. You can't too jumpy. Last man jumping a 6'6" in reach. Just relax.
you want to shoot, but bossy.
Wait just say. Shot bud.
Eh,
Give me it back.
I know that was it.
Yeah, idiot. Give me back, cause it's enough to shoot bud.
No, I know, but.
What I call mad them?
Where is you going now? I eat your come for.
Yeah, man.
I promise you 2, right?
Mm.
I'll give you 1 now
Yeah, give me 1 now.
and give the next one later. Cause my son just reached and me just give him that one there.
Your son?
See me?
No.
I want to look a clown boy want to go shot bud. Fool!
Good.
But,
Let me see it now.
but yeah. Unless bullet coming, I don't know if you have no bullet in. You have bullet?
No, man, no bullet. You can't give me one. You can't give me some.
Yeah, I joke me man. 2 bullets in there. Me say, stop playing with it. You idiot? Yeah, and that's why I'm not put no bullet in your gun. You see, look at 2 bullets I mean, me put in there so you shot somebody with that right now.
Yeah, I told me I give me daddy.
You go put yourself in a prison. You idiot?
So,
Cover it up.
so yeah, so what I do now?
Alright, later, I'm going. Me know why you be like this one, you know.
Brother, you have to worry yourself, man. Me a secure. Right now, I gonna lock this down, you know. Me not even go even touch it. If you take that part,
Give me that gun now. Give me that gun now. Give me that gun
Just
now.
relax, man. Just relax, man. Wait the
Boy, me will bury you myself. You idiot.
Alright. Where's the way I do now?
Alright, check me later. Me might have bullet, you know. Cause between me, you know. Me a whole heap of come down, you know. Whole heap, boy. I feel like this a boy a born past market and a marketing born, you know. Him born in the sea. So some of my senses them call up in the water.
Alright, don't worry about that.
Yeah, I know. You see all the one puppy then they go like I'm the baddest man around the area. Film badness, cool on you now.
I mean, my done from a cherry lane.
Down your backside. Hey, listen to me, now look youth. Can't run off nowhere. Hey, my handbox. The last time my handbag box a boy, you know. He know see daylight, you know.
Yeah.
Okay. So you see, that's why me have more. I come down, come and go show him, say, how we run here.
Alright.
So you see 2 bullets, try hold it.
Alright. But, yo, now the link here now. Now I go back on the ends, you know.
Alright, remember, keep this between us. Nobody nothing know, no.
Alright. Just link me.
Alright,
Go
nothing.
back on the ends. Alright, so look more now.
Alright.
Look more.
Listen, you see next time nobody come back here, and you try to insult me like that, remember, call and say you know my son again. Just call and say you know my son again.
So me and your son.
Me glad nobody know in the you idiot. You idiot. Sefe. That's Sefe.
Javi,
Movie to the one.
why you look around and what happened?
Sis.
What, Javi? What that?
Sis.
Javi, take that off of my bed, Javi.
Sis, just calm down, man.
What that, Javi?
You know I already. I know shows.
Take that up, Javi, take that up off of my bed.
Sis, I'm gonna need your phone this one.
Javi, me your little sister, what kind of gun you come put for my bed? Jesus Christ, man.
I'm gonna need you to lock this off for me.
Like what?
Sis.
Me not touch that thing, Javi.
Sis.
Javi, me not put myself in no trouble for you. Javi, suppose I move me see that, Javi?
You don't even have to touch it. Just put it in one place. Anytime when I want it, you just give me it.
Javi, me not put myself in no trouble for you, know.
Sis, you're not gonna no problem. Woman now go see the fear room, me go
Take
there.
time talk, Javi, I mind you make me, yeah.
Sorry. A fear room, me go there now. Just put it in one place, you know nobody now gonna look.
Me not touch it. You see the same something we sit down for, open the jar and put it in there. Matter of fact, you want something to wrap it up, put it in a jar, Javi. Me not touch it.
Anytime I need it, we just go comfy it. So just relax, man.
Put it in a jar, Javi, before mommy call. I look a while, not too long that they come look for me, you know.
Daddy coming for you today?
Yes.
Daddy good, man. But me have a piece of money for getting, but look how me get it.
Right, me really me can go
But me
on.
have a whole lot show right now.
Well, that's sure.
No sis, no soup there now.
No.
Sis, you know, say I'm a done for on your sign. See if any boy at all try run with you, you make sure say you tell me.
You know nobody not trouble me, I'm safe in that place already. They know say me and sister already.
Right. Me, your brother, I'm there for protect you. No boy at all to you.
Well, you know no money for you.
Sis, give me a minute, let me sort out back to you.
Even.
Yeah, well.
How the street look?
Well, the street look clear, but tomorrow or look more, it not go pretty.
What make you say so?
Just say Papa them and buy a beer gun.
Be a what?
Beer gun on the east.
So what them a try do? Take over my turf? Then I know say me run off the place already.
Lower your tone.
I mean,
It's a information
me talk to.
between me and you. You hear that?
And I say I heard, me not say 40 here, 39 good. Me I run a program and see what go on. Cause like them figure
Yo,
say my name Poppy then, you know.
remember me information them not cheap. How you get that one?
Oh yeah, question man things. I want to.
No, so teeth me want for this. Cause none know night.
So empty gun you walk with, what kind of bad man I say be?
Well, if you stick up a man with this, then you don't want to know if nothing in there.
Don't worry yourself man, I make a link for you, you see me?
Alright, let's say alright, man. You hear that?
Alright.
Pick up. Now what's a brain, man? Just do right.
Boy.
Boy, Tugga. Boy, I don't like how boss is staying now, Tugga. Boss, you get you gonna and Javi gun. I'm well one. Boss in a rate to it. I try my father make me deal with him. Just look on that. He give me a gun without shot. And he give Javi gun with shot. And he have one spear gun bury over farm when he could have gear it. And he not gear it. And he full of shot right now. Just show it in a rate to it. And my father, but I go around and inform on him. Where's that? Me inform Puppy Dan and them man they a roll and them man they a call the shot now. Them the man they me have a link with that now. That's why I tell you this, you're forward with me. So you're afraid to your father find out? Relax man. Them man they a protect me. Then can't do me nothing. Bro, something there tell us me they want a gun for hands off car boss in a man they have be a gun around there. Them man they buy a gun every day. Boom, boom, boom. Big gun. Look. You ever see big gun yet? Big gun so. Yeah, whole so and no, I don't know if I say him. But a big gun. And them man, I'm grow all to them I get my new thing, right? So the finger that they gun they won't give me. I'm left it run a yard. I'm not busy about that. Cause you know shot tonight. But could I get shot and put in there and get it? A fool, man. But you can't make it, you know. They want cut yeah, down, no. Yeah, but I tell you me I get thing you. Yeah, but still no dog. Are your father no dog? You're not afraid to man find out. Whether my father no rate me. Your father have got shot. And how much day me there hungry? Chase me say you would. You not give me nothing for them. I throw that look where you shot. I'm growing a puppy them a leg of food. I'm growing the first day. At 2 grand me get. Eh, so you get food feed? Yeah, plus food. Fortune for them. No man that could have poison you know. You wait, no man nah poison me out. Puppy don't know say papa your father. Yeah. Man nah poison me brother. You just depend negativity sir. Me tell him man them what go. My father soon dead you know. I just time. So you try say you want him for dead? Brother, look come on me link you. Yeah. I link me upon the thing. I want the thing right now. Yeah man. For sure? Yeah man. And make sure say what me hear chatter say stay here so you hear that? Yeah man.
Yeah, man, the youth them organize themselves, man.
I pray boss.
Hold on, because them man and all no manners, you know. Hold on. You can't see big man on phone and yeah, interrupt me. You know, no manners, youth, you see me on phone.
Boy boss, I link us but boy, you so look sharp, do you have a better place to operate at?
Let me ask you a question. You want to lay a black or flash a wall, yeah?
No, man, boss, but you can't
Me
get
make you feel you turn up and you're comfortable.
But boss,
Me make you feel when police are run me down there, lick up the head pan this stuff, he say it's tall enough. You shut your mouth, sit down and talk when you talk now. One.
yeah, man, me there, man. I go on only, but boy, boss, you know, say your son Tugger. I have to pray, me know, like, he must show me how to pray, but fi. Boy, he must show me how to pray with fi inform with puppy that me I say inform.
Yeah. My son!
How else me a chat then?
You, I bet you want me to bury my son too quick. Listen to me. Dark street. Dark street. Because I don't feel like you really understand what you're saying.
Tugger, you say.
My son.
Yes.
When me mind from the day in a belly, woman, you have enough every day. I inform for me.
Inform for you.
I want to carry. I do carry.
Yeah, boss, me I tell her, say, your boy tell Puppy Dan, say, you there. You farm gang pan fiend turf.
So my son really inform for me?
Yeah, but look, you know, me I show on the line, me I tell, you hide one gun and die black.
You know what I believe, you know. You know my son is an idiot. You know my son is really an idiot. I see when mama did inform for me with police, you know. Don't worry, man. You're going to be the second commandment. You see that boy there? I'll teach him a lesson. I'm going to teach him a lesson. You see, badness in my child, pray upon your own father.
Upon your own father, boss.
I tell you, know. You see, if you become the same thing, that if you're here upon your head top, you can't find when me done with you.
No, man, boss. We don't do that.
Why be smile off of your face? Because you are second of a smile. Anybody come on me serious.
You sure say me a second in command? Because you ever chat about Javi a second in command now, boss.
Javi, not ready for the road yet, man. I be a boy that you're not ready, but you look like you're ready because you come back and tell me things. Javi never tell me nothing.
True.
Javi only well want me give my gun quick and fast.
I move.
You never ask me for your gun. I mean, don't worry, I'm surprised you one day.
Alright. Boss.
Yeah, man, the road.
But still, I need a better place.
Mr. Boy, you man lay a black here.
I'm going ready.
Now what I'm going this? Come, sit here, sir. Sit your backside there, sir. Boy, let me ask you a question. Who grow you? Me say who grow you?
You.
Right.
I'm my mother.
And your mother? Which part your mother grow you? Your mother said me go to prison. I'm saying you go to my mother till me come back out. But let me tell you this, boy. Why you go on a puppet and go inform, say me, the farmer gang, to take over in territory? How you want to start war for your father so quick?
Me, daddy?
Eh? You!
Who tell you that?
The juvenile now tell a lie.
That the same juvenile that tell inform.
Listen to me, let me share how me know say not tell a lie. You tell him about the gun that me bury and I black. Suppose he go take up your and shot your father.
Me don't know about that.
Yeah, you don't know about that. Me not show you. Say,
Me never see.
What me gun there? What me gun? What me give? Right there.
You put it down on the yard.
Which part around there you put it down?
You put it on the center table.
Boy, let me tell you something. You see, if you romp with me, say you put it on the center table and me go around there and you know, did it? Me I tell you, mark me word. Me I take over the ass.
Come me drop a sleep and it's up on the burn.
You see for your bird paper, me I burn it up. If me can't take out your last name out of it, me I burn it up.
Me can't put
Me
it
know
on
you have nothing for me, you know my son. How you fi do that? You idiot.
Me not do it.
You cannot do it.
What them a tell me do, me not do it.
You must have today he come here to me. Come tell me. So you come go on like me an idiot.
Me not do it.
We are try with the father. We are try prove. Eh? And then them bribe you, then get last cup. Eh?
Me man said you give me a shot.
Okay, so I'll shot you and tell out your father first so we can buy shot. Eh? We might not have the full money to buy when you want to buy. But me always I go have it. So if I that you really I try to sell me out farm, you will sell us some shot in your head. You want something, right? Talk fast. I want to have me I get 3 if you move.
But that mean
Me say me no want to see you again. Me I give you 3 if you move. You know me son for the rest of the day. Me I give you 3 if you move.
I want something to eat, daddy.
Nope. Alright, hold bullet. Hold bullet to eat. Hold it. Boy, you want something to eat. You're right. You know what?
Hello, Miss Brown. Yes. Yes, so you're gonna send the information, right? Yes, ma'am. Everything is gonna be okay, ma'am. The delivery guy is on the way, okay? All right, ma'am. So give me a call back when you have finished that, okay? All right, ma'am.
Puppy,
What I want to?
so about that. You know, no money for you.
What you want to do now? Yeah, man, me have money.
Nothing specific, but me do want to go for the get some stuff for you. Me not really want to go broke, so.
Like how much you want, so?
Anything you have can do.
Alright, I'll give you 2,000 I'll lift back with 2. That good?
Yeah, that's alright.
Sure.
No, that's alright, man.
Alright, hold on. You know what?
Alright, fine. Me I go up on the road, so.
Just be safe, NSF.
Yeah, man, I'm go.
Yeah.
Later.
Alright.
Girl, you look at me so for me know ya?
If you never look at me, that's say me look for you.
It no matter. Me catch you look for me. Me ask you why you look for me.
I'm not talking to you.
Why you look for me?
Come
you know
to
something about me?
then.
What you mean, you know? What you mean, you know? Me ask you why you look for me like you know me, right? Because you give me body and me ask you why you look for me.
Come blind me.
Alright then. You know who me in the community and who my brother be? Stop! You know who my brother be? Look ugly girl. Hey girl, you know who my brother be a puppy than my brother here. Anytime when you're not ready. But wait till you catch me. Try me again, girl.
Watch me here, girl. Like, I don't know what she mean, brother. Like, brother. Like, I don't know what she mean, brother. What, brother? Oh God. Father God, you beg you to give me, Father God, but the girl has test me here. Hey, girl, you
Done in a talking with you. Me done in a...
feel like this I go suck, yeah?
Don't shoot me, don't shoot me. Don't...
Shit. Ooh. Javi. Oh, ma, what me do? Javi, where you there? Come up here right now, Javi. Come up here right now, Javi. Come up here. Alright, you need to run a room. Come fast, please, come fast. God, forgive me, Lord. Please, I beg you, God, forgive me.
Where's your? Warm to you. Talk to me, no man, warm to you.
Javi, not well.
Heavy, you have to talk to me.
I'm go by the road, Javi. I'm see this girl, Javi. I'm never even not trouble. And the girl just trouble me, and the girl beat me up.
Maybe someone beat you.
Who beat you?
Come back in the yard for the gun, Javi, and
Wait.
shoot her, Javi, and she just said she a puppy dance, so Javi, own your puppy dance.
Wait, you shoot somebody?
Yes, Javi, shooting her. Javi, I'm gonna do what he said, Javi, I'm gonna do it.
Which one the gun? Which one the gun?
See it on the bed, Javi. Javi, I'm gonna do it.
But Javi, how you feel use gun? Me tell you, I use same one tell me say nah, even touch it.
Javi, oh, you got it, Javi, oh, you got no.
Alright, listen to me. Just calm down. You have to listen to me. You have to listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Just relax. Just relax. You're alright. Just relax. You trust me? You trust me? You trust me?
Alright.
No, listen to me. You trust me?
Yeah.
Alright? Alright, listen to me. This is what we are gonna do. We are gonna pack your things them and we are gonna left. Which one will be there?
Javi, I'm in the room. We can't left,
We
Javi.
have to left because I'm with the two hour day in a problem. And my gun, and you shoot the girl. If she is puppy than sister,
It's not
it's
real.
a big problem.
It's not real.
Because you might jam for run your stuff. So we have to run.
Wake up. It's not real.
Just trust me. Just just listen to me, Rafi. Just listen to me, man. Look for me. Look for me. Look for me. Just look for me. You trust me? Alright, just do what I say.
Alright, go.
Pack up your stuff. Pack up your stuff. Pack up your stuff. Come on.
Hey, how that I'm not down my door, so yo?
Sis, come now, man.
What happened?
Javian there. What Javian?
What mean with Javian there? What happened? Javian not there? What happened? What happened? What mean with Javian? Javian not there? What happened? Oh, you come in and what happened?
I'm like, I drop me up for drop down.
What happened?
I done a station with there a while ago and hear them say Javian shoot somebody kill them. And them
No,
say, drop the
wait.
gun in.
Jesus Christ, what you say?
You are going on operation a plan right now. May I beg you.
Jesus Christ.
Sis, you are going. If you can get them, and make me come collect them before they, because if they catch them, I'll kill them, you know.
So, wait, hold on. Just tell me, slow down. Tell me what happened. Just tell me what happened with Javian. Tell me.
Like
Because...
I don't know the full story. I know a station with the house myself. I mean, it's a Javian shoot one girl killer.
What you say?
And it's a bad man sister. So
What you say?
Police want her. And you know, retaliation is a must. Hey, if you can get Javian and Javino, get them and make me come collect them because when we go on, go on, you know.
You sure? My Javian?
Just do what I say. Hear me, I say. Find Javian, find JV. If you can't find them, get Jutta and make Jutta try.
Alright, here we do. Me I go see if me can call them father and see if he can get to them. Jesus Christ. Them father on the phone. You just see if you can locate them. Me I see if me can get them father.
No, they come like them a go mad. No. This is just too much. God, no.
Jita.
What?
Jesus, Jita.
What? Calm down now, what? Come on, yourself. Calm down, man. Get some breathe. What for you? Come on, Maureen.
God, Jita.
What to you? Talk to me now, man. You're not move good. Come on, talk to me.
God, Jita.
Talk to me now. Wait, awa. Calm down. Javian. What about Javian?
Jesus.
What?
Javian kill.
Javian kill? Just talk for me. Tell me no, man. And stop me get me feet, so.
Javian kill people, fitness. Jesus
Where
Christ.
should they know?
Stop me no. What?
Who for pitney them kill? Who for pitney she kill? Talk to... Who for pitney them kill? Who for pitney she kill?
Puppy dance sister. Puppy dance sister. She killed puppy dance sister. Lord God. Lord Jesus.
So where she use and kill her? Eh?
He shoot her.
Shoot her? Where she get gun from?
She thought Jaffy.
Jaffy?
Jaffy gun.
Jaffy gun?
Yes.
Puppy dan, they must say them man, they are bad man, you know.
That's nice.
Yo, you know where you do? You know where you do? Me go talk to it. Me go say me can talk to him and them. And say me can locate at the same time. Yeah? Just go on and go settle your head. Cause this serious, you know. Go on off the road. Girl, come here. What we have to go on off the road, me not tell you say dangerous.
You alright now? Kill me if you kill somebody in the youth. You see my sister that I go so youth. My sister me love so you. Yo, where your daughter there? Where your daughter there?
Well, yo, calm down yourself.
Where you tell me if you calm down right now? Trouble your daughter in the youth.
Calm down yourself. No,
What you mean if you calm down?
I know say your sister and everything, but you know say I come to tell you say, yo, we have to just throw away that, brother.
Throw away what? I'm a one sister that you know.
Brother, calm down.
Put if you put one in your head.
Yo, calm down, you.
Yo, you know say you're a big man in our place and I respect you, though, youth. But one thing me I tell you, just keep your daughter safe in case anyone me see her. Remember me tell you, this how I talk to her.
Brother, calm down, man.
Calm down what?
Calm down, man.
That's your what?
Just ease yourself, man. I come to talk to you about me sorry about that and I like say, me grow them good, you know, me G. We know say I want to run the street right now, you know. And I like say me put it down too far, but just calm down yourself, man. We see out away with this, man.
See out away with what? This go bring back my sister. This go bring back my sister life.
Just ease yourself. Me see what me can do still.
Don't worry yourself, here.
Me see what me
Sister
can
dead,
do.
nah go so. Remember me tell you.
Yeah, man, boss. Respect for your machine, you know.
Yeah, man, Mr. Nah, you idiot.
Yeah, man, the boy a fool now.
Go boy go inform.
Yeah.
You can't
Fool
go
now.
inform by your daddy.
I done, you know.
Listen to me. See how son today. No boy test.
No, boy.
You're gonna be my manager.
Me that.
Yeah, ball. Anyway, you fit the signal out. Listen, my son. The reason why you are this now? You want to inform for me?
Yo, me done. Yo,
How about you?
you know, you remember my sister, right?
Yeah, man. But why she a shit so? You know me, come on, so. I don't like that attitude, you know.
We in a big problem, you know.
What kind of problem? Money wise, no problem. Money wise, no problem.
And that,
What?
you know, say, she take a machine where they tell me to put on. And
I see. No
No,
problem,
no.
man. Enough there. No
no,
problem.
and the last, she shot Puppy and sister.
Shut what? Start what kind of turf boy? You're mad somebody? Half of my son go inform about me.
We mean inform.
Go round, they go tell us that me I take over the ear, so in go think say, and me he said your sister go shot. Film sister. Yo, you let me down now. You let me down big time, man. Me think you know better than that.
She just did get out of hand. She just,
Out of hand, that pass hand.
well, hear me say. I wonder if me and she can just stay there, so cause
Hey, hold up. Stay away.
yes, so man, just
This. Listen. Me tell you say, me I go take over the ear, right? Me never tell you me go shut off of him. Me just don't take over the ear. But you make your sister take up the machine and go shoot.
no, me never gear. Me just dey put it in one place and she take care and she shoot the girl. But just listen to me now. Just
So I see if I phone. You go down a beach park here. You know Jimmy?
no, me never go down there.
Alright, when you go down there, just ask Jimmy. Tell him say me. Say Ray. Once you say Ray, no say a mission that passy. Anyone I carry I don't know land on land. If you go to and turn over there, it's better for me. Because this me not start no turf war like that. When me give you.
Alright. Respect you know. Respect you know me dad.
What?
But you have no money where you can give me.
Yo, take the bottom here. You're going too far now. Me give you
Yeah,
gun.
no, no.
You make your sister go shoot.
Alright, respect.
Kill puppy them just like you. Paul. No, you give me this now. Cause right now, listen. Give me this now. Listen. this thing done because you see him sister, shot people sister. You not gonna shot nobody.
No
brother.
man, boss. Not like that.
Badness done. Me a dash you when me done with it. War start. Move. Go on your yard. Talk up a book. Read something.
Yo, where you at? Right now, me head mad right now. Where you at? What kind of info?
JC me look so me not happy. I just see news and excited.
Man, you
this
can
money
open
you go give me. This money where you go give me.
Yo, stop your foolishness. I'm not on foolishness right now in the youth.
You see the girl where shot your sister. You must plan to run me up and boat over center.
Where you at to me? Which part over there then?
Center.
Yo, talk to me now, youth. Which part over there? Over center.
Yeah. But first,
my youth, me I deal with this right now. Just talk to me now, brother. I want to tell money, I move like you know rate me in a youth.
say brother, I don't like this style, man.
Which part of a center people then? Yo, where the pan? You figure out who you deal with? Just give me info them and stop wasting time. You.
True, me now no shot in a
Yo, just stop your eyes and give me info.
over beach park.
Which part of a beach park? Oh, why girl look?
Over Poochie bar, you just walk.
Yeah, but who me I go look for?
The girl,
Yeah, but him brown, him black. Oh, him fat.
she black, but she look brown. I don't know if it,
So you don't know what color blouse she in and you don't know nothing.
I don't know.
Man, you, me don't want to go do nothing to you wrong somebody and you don't know what color blouse you in and.
Think of what color this?
Man, you stop ramping me you.
That color, yeah. The middle one. This one.
White.
Yeah, white.
Ah, that's yeah, my soul link. Yo, easy yourself, my soul link. You know.
Yo, I wish I had them boat here, but because them are boat in the safe, you know.
Don't worry yourself, man. The boat soon come.
Bro, I don't think what I want to do this. Bro, I don't think what I want to do this, you know. You can't do this.
What do you mean you don't want to do this?
Because me just feel like...
Put on back your jacket.
No, man, me go give you this, me can't do this, brother. Bro, it better me go to prison than dead, bro. Me can't.
What kind of stupidness that? Listen to me. Am I gonna use shoot the girl? You know?
That no say
So listen to me, man. I told we no problem no. I am a sister.
Me better me go to prison, me nasty, brother.
You don't see how long daddy they are prison. I just a while ago and come out, you know.
Me better go to prison than dead. Swear.
Listen to me. You go alright. Don't worry yourself, man. I'm a sister. I love you. I'm gonna protect you. So you don't have to worry yourself, man.
Yes, we are doing okay.
We are waiting for the boat man to come. When he come, we are gonna go through border. Don't worry yourself, man. We have some money, so we are going alright.
But I don't want to leave me and daddy in your car.
It's better if we left them than put them in a problem. Oh yes, sir, man. You're alright.
Oh, God.
Oh, man. You're alright. Jesus Christ. Gabriel, no! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! No! No! Don't do this! No, please! Please! Please, don't do this! Don't do this! No, please! Please! No! Please, don't do it. Jesus. Oh, God. Plan to buy no vaccine.
Cause me no drive no vaccination.
Could not hear that be topless.
Then I don't really see it.
You can buy one. You want one right now?
Yeah.
Talk to me now.
Me buy one in middle.
Right now?
Yeah.
So which one you want?
Ready?
The black one.
No man, money for
How much you pay you?
Yo, that ask him. Pull up your mask and tell him say, so help you know say come with a serious.
Yeah man, there's something I go.
Right now, action.
Him.
No man, me know you do that. Me know you do that. You know my sister, right? Yeah man, well listen. You know my sister, right?
She like thinking the same thing.
Yeah man, look nervous. Yeah, look nervous.
Me go ask her why you shaking and she ask her why she shaking, you tell me.
Yo, but then a big trouble, you know. I don't know, say she use the machine where you give me. I shoot puppy and sister.
You get up and say, when you say kill me, I'll get up and say, you have to try to catch me at home.
You want to get up?
Call me as I'm frightened, when you keep on talking, I'm going to say same, we can't say same.
Yo, shh. Yo, man, can't get up, man. Oh,
Okay.
where now, Javi?
So why you say I shake?
No, actually, I remember my sister already. Take your hands already. Well, that's up. You know, yeah, man. I think you know better than that. So bossy, here, me. Yeah, me I said. Yeah, me I said that. Bossy, me I wonder if me plan make you go and bill off. Me actually go and bill off.
Bill away, let it go. Floor bill or light bill.
Yeah, man. Ready now, Sammy. Ready. Action. Never pan go on the pilot. Ready, so you start off. Hold on. Well, let's know. Yeah. Can't tell me save a food up. Me have a link over beach park. Go on over there and see if you don't get your phone ride and go on small island. Oh, just have Jimmy say, me say Ray.
Yeah. Just see, what him do? Me no want you go shot under that man, brother.
No, man.
The body.
No,
No. You give me this. No.
Me not make you.
You not shut up and nobody, sister. Yo. Tell him say, yo, this ship crash. We done.
Take me water, man. Please. Take me water, man.
Come on, tell him.
Yo,
No. Action. You got back right corner. Bring your action.
We can't give one piece of money.
Action.
what are you at? Listen to me. Go take up a book, read something, badness done. Boy, you tell my son. Watch me. Wait.
Alright, well, let's up. Javi, Mike. Javi, no.
Javi tell him some, you have me walk from the side, man, to the see right this, man, talk to you. Let me go up, let me tell her right this, if you stay right this, never talk.
You want that?
Come on. Yeah. Yo, me done. Me.
Come with your sister, man.
You can't come in here.
Come with your sister, man.
Actually, they are afraid.
Come on,
Because sir, I wish, me know
Yeah, man, you know, so I'm a sister, man.
Remember my sister? Yeah, man, what going? Why we now have big trouble in my boss? You know, so she shot puppy on sister.
yo, you shot. You shot what?
I want to say we just want to laugh there, so be laugh way. That's what you say. Be laugh way.
Go down the station, go be laugh. Just,
No laugh.
You think me can money down turf war now?
But me dad, I use your man, so we are going to take over.
listen to me, my son go in farm.
So it probably already know, so we are planning for this. Yeah.
My son go in farm to him. So I tell him I have to take all the gun from him. You understand, Papa?
Right.
Yeah, man.
We have given this man, I'm not to the one, give him no gun.
Hey, me I said Alright. Chuck 'em.
I love my favorite.
Ready?
Ready, say, yeah, man, so go on top of why.
Just a fair.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Move from here, so.
Accident.
Talk to me again. Yo, I'm his son.
Oh no, I don't like.
Me are close to Papa upon the camera again. Rough.
Bro,
Yeah, one more scene for Mike?
what is?
Yeah.
It's so clean.
Alright, make that scene in it. We can't pass.
Ready?
Alright, so in the meantime, I'll change.
Ready?
So I'll have to change me, yeah?
And action.
You see next time you insult me in front of nobody? Remember, call and say, you're not my son.
Come here, now, your son, and you give me this.
And we are do. No bullet,
Daddy,
no that. Say fair. Say fair. Right.
Anytime when you're ready. But yo, look more now.
Alright, come back. We do ending. Walk away.
And then I say, see next time nobody come here and embarrass me, so. And then we give one later.
Hold this up. You okay, one now.
And one later.
And one later. Say one when you waste, I give.
Alright. The machine on fire.
I want to live.
Live right now?
Live.
Live? Mm-hmm.
Ready?
No, Papa.
Hey, for see.
So in go game, so I'm gonna say so.
No, you're not going to man. That's nothing. That's done.
No, but this is going to get it. Alright, yeah, me I said now.
Ready now? Ready now?
What?
Action.
We'll give one now. Stop playing with it. You idiot.
See that correct, man. See that. Papa, be why I tell him, say, bullet in a film, only 2 shots in a film.
Yeah.
That can kill easy. Ready now? And action.
Yeah, man, I joke me, man. 2 bullets in there. Where is it? Stop playing with it.
Now hold this up.
Catch me. What you just say?
Hey boy, give me. I think I bought them.
Last man go shoot but didn't kill man with the gun.
Yo, give me back.
Cause that happened in real life at the end.
This is not for show, but
Man. No, me I say, boy, shoot it.
I get ready for. Give me back. That's a no, daddy. No, daddy. I put it your way. So you daddy. Yeah. At the same time, you walking, you know, you hear? Ready? Let me go with wide. Javi, just wait there, close round that so the part Toga, you go back and say yo daddy want to go shoot board. Ready now? And ready Javi? And action.
You want him to go shoot, but
No, listen. Wait, ready. Eh?
Walk on.
Yeah, say there.
Walk on, my brother. Javi, you don't mind. Come on. Come on. You give him back. Give me mic. Give me mic, Toga. Okay. Papa, Toga, just talk look, you know, yeah. Papa, you start by saying, yo, give me back. I just have to shoot board. Ready now, Javi? Ready now, Papa? Action. But you know, sir, I just saw your own son in farm for your papa. I tell that say, yeah, go down. You're trying not to like your father.
That's a Toga. Bro, that's what they don't come on here, but. I make a link for you, man. You see me?
alright, bad boy. No see a red. Really?
Jack, we're getting in front of him.
You know what to do. Ring a bird.
I say I heard then.
Where you get that one?
Yo, Richie, what Toga attack like I'm bad officer? And that's why I want come here to say at night.
Yeah, overpower, man. You fi calm me down there.
Yeah, we have to calm down, you know, Toga. You don't calm down now. You say, yo, I'm going to get that one there. Come here.
You go on wall.
Wait, him not fish. Just do what me say.
So say things, yeah, man, you have alright, you have a system, you have to protect you, you know.
And you put yourself in a problem and you put me in a problem.
Continue.
Eh?
Ready? Continue. Ready?
No man, you good.
Pick up.
Ready, Javi, continue. Pick up.
What me I say?
More yourself, you're good.
Ready? Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me.
Come here, Peter, to think about mine.
We have a question that girl.
Which one am I there?
So when you get time to pop back?
Which one am I there?
Yeah, no, just pop.
You am I, mate?
Yeah, man, I remember, you know, I'm alone a supplier them at here.
Alright, my boss. Yeah, man, my boss, man. The new thing from Black, man. See it, yeah?
Yeah, man, it's tough, man. I mean,
Yeah. You see me? Yeah. Hit that.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so say that to you when you're ready. Action.
Watch you know, if you have more things like that,
Yeah.
you not sell nobody else it in my ear. And me alone, you sell them. Yeah, man, I
Send
see
all the
like,
thing.
people go around me and so I not go around people, you know, you see me?
Keep business safe, but boss, I trust him and everything, Chris. I'm gonna say, you are running on the 40 thing. That's what bless me.
Get your coach support. Put on.
Which part?
We must secure say we are doing we must secure man.
Well, me say I'm not on the money up front and you say, remember we not.
Oh.
Yeah, that's that.
Go on, people.
Right.
Ready? Action.
Your mom and tell us, boss, man, you know, have to send the funds, man. I trust him and you are the done, man.
We have a talk about Poppy now, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so talk about Poppy now.
Ah, she him a mention it first.
Yeah.
Oh.
No.
Yeah, you go much,
You
yo.
mention him and I say, yo, boy, pop it on them. I go on like them. They don't know, say, film time done.
Alright, okay.
Me tell you. Hold on.
Yeah, but me just I tell you about that new one, the new one. So you see when time this clap my boss, the recoil.
Ready? And action.
Yeah, so you see when time this clap my boss.
Ready now, and action.
Calm down. Tell me what man.
Jerry,
Come on, man, tell me what man.
Jerry, this morning, Jerry, me go up on you.
This morning.
Well,
Not too long.
not too long. Me I tell him what happened. And they will tell him
Too
what
long
to
to go on the road.
Oh, not too long, me go up on you.
What can I say? Ready? Action.
Wait. Alright, ready.
I chew. And your father. That me just tell you say.
What's his daddy don't rate you?
I chew my father.
My father can suck it. He will rate you and he don't rate me. So if he not rating his son,
No, this no real.
If she is Poppy Dan brother, there's a Poppy Dan brother sister.
If she's done, that's already.
If she is Poppy Dan sister,